All right, we're at Treasure Island. I'm about to be on set. Just a cool little, yeah, feel me? Oh, this is sick. I haven't been here in hella long. All right, y'all. Oh, look, that's the Bay Bridge. All right, I'm gonna see where I gotta go. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm on set. Let me see if you can see. Can't really record, but I'm here. Can't really record. There's hella shit out. I gotta go see everyone else. So, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, we in here. I gotta find someone. There's someone. It goes crazy.
I was hot though when they left the city.
Man.
But shit, as long as they bring a bowl back though, our parade gon'
First day offset with Hannon. Fuck with Barber's ass. What's up? I'm done. I'm at the Bay Bridge. I told you I'll get you a little glimpse. This is the Bay Bridge. It's dope, especially when it's the 49ers or the Warriors. They light up the bridge to the colors, so it's pretty dope, y'all. Let me switch the camera this way so y'all can hear me a little bit. Yeah, I'm done. This was amazing opportunity, experience, all of the above. I got to meet the director. He shook my hand, thanked me for coming short notice. The actors, the main actors, San Quinn's, both of his sons are one of the main actors. I cut the head detective. Obviously, Baby Gas I cut. He's one of the best friends in the movie. I can't tell you a lot about what's it about, but man, I'm just so grateful for this opportunity, and 2024 is looking good. So I appreciate it. You know, let's see how much it goes back. I'll do some more recording, you know, at my house or maybe at the barbershop tomorrow morning. Sorry. Yeah, it was cool. I gave some of the actors the stickers I have, the Barber's App stickers.